Everyone, look at all this snow. It's like 3 to 4 feet of snow out here. I can feel all the sleet, all the snow on my neck. It's very cold. And look at the streets. Look at these streets. Look at all this snow. It's sleet and ice. You gotta be careful out here.
It's a good thing they canceled school today, right?
Yes.
Yeah, got all this snow.
Because all this snow, these buses are going to be slipping and sliding everywhere.
Yep. How much snow on the road?
Like a foot or an inch.
a foot or an inch?
Yeah.
It's crazy, huh?
Yes.
How many coats you got on?
I got one giant coat. I got 2 sweaters. I got 3 shirts on. 1 pair of gloves.